Thank you for viewing this tour. If you would like a private showing of this home, please contact Katy Stenson at 281-728-3948. Beautiful, meticulously maintained Newmark single-story home with brick on all 4 sides. This home is located on a ravine, offering spectacular views throughout the home. Beautiful stone front elevation, impressive tiled entry, spacious and open floor plan with formal living and dining room, study, playroom, den, breakfast room and 4 bedrooms, split plan, with 3 baths, crown molding, gorgeous wood flooring in the formal living, dining and den. The gourmet kitchen features granite, 42-in cabinets with undermount lights, walk-in pantry, stainless steel appliances with a gas range and breakfast bar with pretty pendant lighting. While manicured lawn with sprinkler system, covered patio and garage door opener. It's ready for you. Great look.